Hello, viewers, and you're welcome to hymns recording of the Iwe Orimimo IOM. My name is Tobi Balogun. I am your organist for today. With me is Kenny, who is a very, very good soprano singer. She will be singing the hymns. The third hymn is IOM 3. The name of this tune is Stella, and the meter is 888888. That is, if you count that very well, I think that's 6, 8, right? The first line is Nigba Timole Owuro. So if you look at the name of the words from this hymn we've taken, they are from the Orin Owuro part section of the IOM, which is morning hymns. Pray that as you also listen to this, may you be richly blessed in Jesus' name.